Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset and repair Spotlight in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Click File, Change Folder and Search option. Click View tab. Check Hidden Files and Folders. Click Users. Click Your Name. Click App Data. Click Local. Click Packages. Open Windows Content Delivery Manager. Click Settings. Select All, delete all files. Check Spotlight. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Lock Screen. Make sure, Show Lock Screen Background Picture, on condition. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.